Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions on Realme 12. And to do this, first we'll need to open our settings. Inside, scroll all the way down to additional settings and enter gestures and motions. First option is swipe down with 3 fingers to take a screenshot. Then there's touch and hold with 3 fingers to take a partial screenshot. And next one is, And next one is turn on and off flashlight with the volume down button. You can lock your phone, hold the volume down button, and it will enable or disable the flashlight. Then next thing is motions, and we can raise to wake, lift to answer the calls, lift to ear to answer the calls, auto switch the receiver, and flip to mute incoming calls. Raise to wake works like this. You can lock your phone, pick it up in a grip, and it will wake up the screen automatically. Next is lift to ear to answer calls. If you receive a call and lift your phone to your ear, it will answer the call automatically. Auto switch to receiver works with lift to ear to answer calls. And when you're using any headphones or a receiver, it will answer the call the same way and transfer the sound to that device. Then there's flip to mute incoming calls. You can lock your phone, put it upside down, screen to the table, and it will mute all incoming calls. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.